today we're going to talk about the lift and drop method of teaching drop spins on rifle. I'm in right flat and my thumbs are pointing both towards the butt. My right hand is under the neck, the skinny part of the rifle, and my left hand is lined up with the end. Some people do pinky off, that's fine. I just like to cover the rifle fully on the end. I'm going to start with it at my, just below my belly button, and I want it flat, and that means I want the barrel flat. Not the whole rifle from the butt to the nose, but from the end of the bolt to the nose. All right, so we start here, and the lift and drop method simply means you let go with that left hand, and typically when I teach this, I've had them putting it behind their back just to get it out of the way. They don't have to worry about the free hand. Just let go. That's step one. Now you're gonna let go and lift, okay? So you're just lifting just a little bit around the shoulder area, even above if need be, and then when you let go, put your hand back under to catch. You'll let go with the left hand, lift, and drop, and you want it to end up with strap to the right, grabbing the neck again with your right hand, and thumb still facing up at the butt here. So that's your first spin. You're going to start moving on 8, lift on and catch on 1. The nose of the rifle will be up on the hands, and the nose of the rifle will be down, and the butt will be up on the whole cap. So we're here on 1 and 2. And 3 and 4. So it takes time. Be patient. One of the things that I also talk about when I teach spins is making sure that the rifle, when you release, the rifle goes straight down, not in. If you squeeze too tight with the right hand, that happens. Also, our left hand can push in too, so when you make sure that left hand and it lets go, the rifle swings straight down, so it's in a toaster. Like you have that wall in front of you, and I've taught spins on a wall before. Also, when we lift on spins, it's important not just to let go for the rifle to swing straight down, but to lift straight up. If you're squeezing too tight or wrapping your thumb, that's not going to happen. So it's very important that it goes straight down and lift straight up. So we keep that in the toaster. Good luck.